Hi everyone, today we're gonna change the rear strut and the spring coil for the Mercedes A-Class. The special equipment we're gonna need for this job, one of the most difficult jobs in this car, also besides removing the engine and the gearbox, is reaching this 16mm nut which hold the upper part of the suspension strut. It's between the subframe and the chassis of the car, so we will need those special stuff. We will need magnetic light which can extend and be twisted. We will need magnetic 16mm screwdriver, or what I did here is just a wire shaped on the shape of the 16mm bolt to hold the bolt while we are like putting the bolt inside again. We will need special tools which are not in the standard kits, which is the 18mm socket and open end wrench with the box, 16mm box with the wrench, ring and open end. We will need to remove the upper 16mm bolt which hold the upper strut. We will need to remove the lower plates which cover it on both sides, so we will need the small 3/8 wrench or any screwdriver, as long as you have the 9mm and 10mm boxes with it with small extension. We will need the 70mm wrench to raise the car jack, which is 17mm, to remove the bolts if you want, because also we will need two car jacks, so we'll use two car jacks to do this job. So make sure that you have either hockey puck or wood or kind of caoutchouc to prevent damage to the subframe or the chassis from the jacks itself. We will need a 12mm thick screw like this, and it should be like around 30mm to 15mm long, to hold the torsion bar from locking the lower suspension arm. Once we remove the lower bolts, the lower strut bolts, we will be removing it by pushing it with the other screw, so this will hold the torsion bar from locking the lower suspension arm from if the time we want to put the screws back. So we will need one, but because I'm doing both, so we'll need both. We'll need car jack stand, a black paint, so just in case we need to fix any rust or if we scratch any parts, we need to paint it, WD-40 to lubricate the nuts before we do anything. Most important thing, don't do this job without an impact wrench. This will save you a lot of time, a lot of headache and a lot of breakage. So after looping we will need it, and mostly we will need it for removal and torsion of the lower bolts and removal of the upper 16mm bolt. So generally speaking, we won't need the compressor, the spring compressors. We won't need it in this job because we're going to change the spring in the same way that we change in the old videos, because also like I make like a review for the rubber protection on each spring, the rubber sleeves which protect the springs, and I will include it in separate video. We are in the era of coronavirus now, so ordering anything from outside is difficult or not available, and especially those rubber sleeves I couldn't find it at all. My old ones, although it was less than 1 year, get torn, so I had a way to fix it. I will include it in separate video. This is the new spring, so I'm gonna put it in another video. The way to change these springs also included in another video on my channel, you can see that. But now let's continue to removing the strut itself, and meanwhile we change the coil.